Hi, my name is Mr. Joel and I'm from Bright Culture. Okay, so today we'll be learning about metals, and the most important concept about the chapter of metals, let's say you don't know anything, at least you need to know this concept, is actually the Metal Reactivity series. That's very, very important. Okay, so there's a list of metals that you need to sort of learn or memorize or put in your head. Okay, but I'm going to teach you how to do it easily. Okay, I'm going to teach you about the Metal Reactivity series, and the most reactive metals is actually on top and the least reactive metals is actually at the bottom. So how do you learn it? I'm going to teach you. So please send cats, monkeys and zebras. Okay, so please send cats, monkeys and zebras means please, potassium, send, sodium, cats, calcium, monkeys, magnesium, and means aluminium, zebras, zinc. Okay, so please send cats, monkeys and zebras. Then after that is I love hot chocolate strawberries. Okay, I say again, I love hot chocolate strawberries. I, iron, love, lead, hot, hydrogen, chocolate, copper, and strawberries, silver. Okay, so remember the story again. Please send cats, monkeys and zebras. I love hot chocolate strawberries. Okay, so this is a way to help you. You learn this, but in the exam, of course, you don't need to write this. You're supposed to link up with the metals involved. And the first metal on top again, please, means potassium. And the last one, strawberries, means silver. So why do you need to know this? Because potassium is the most reactive, silver is the least reactive. So, and then after you know this, you're supposed to know how to write displacement reactions, whereby the main concept is that the more reactive metal is able to displace the less reactive metal. I'll give you an example, okay? So for example, potassium is able to react with, let's say, copper 2 chloride, because potassium is more reactive than copper, so potassium is able to displace the copper, forming potassium chloride and copper metal. So please check whenever any displacement reaction occur or is present in exam or in a question, check it out whether the metal is it more reactive than the metal ion in the salt. If let's say it is that way, the metal is able to displace it. Okay, so your homework for today, you're supposed to learn. Please send cats, monkeys and zebras. I love hot chocolate strawberries. Okay, that's all. I'm Mr. Joel from Bright Culture. See you next week.